Hello El Paso, welcome to your weekly chamber update. My name is Daisy Colon and I'm here to share with you our highly anticipated series of webinars and virtual events. Thanks for joining us. To kick off the week, we are excited to partner up with Workforce Solutions to present the digital transformation of business on Tuesday, September 22nd at 11 a.m. Join us to learn from digital transformation specialist William Bush and his team as they present on how your business can bounce back from COVID and how to harness technology to serve you. This session is free to attend, space is limited. Your El Paso Hispanic Chamber of Commerce is proud to sponsor a webinar presented by the Texas Association of Mexican American Chambers of Commerce with Dr. Anthony Fauci, Director of the National Institute of Allergy and Infectious Diseases, on Thursday, September 24th at 11 a.m. Dr. Fauci will discuss the effects of COVID-19 on the Hispanic and minority communities. Contact your El Paso Hispanic Chamber of Commerce to learn how you can attend this free virtual event. Next, we present the new low-touch economy in Spanish on Thursday, September 24th at 2 p.m. We'll be welcoming speakers from Kirikabi and Andale Mexican Restaurant and Cantina. Join us to learn about how these businesses have adapted through COVID-19 and what tools they're using in our new low-touch economy. To close out the week, we will have our last series of election chats, Get the Facts, on Friday, September 25th from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. This event will feature El Paso mayoral candidates Dee Margo, Oscar Leeser, Carlos Gallinar, and Veronica Carvajal. Call your El Paso Hispanic Chamber to find out how you can attend this highly anticipated event. We are excited to team up with Amazon for an exclusive webinar over Delivery Service Partners programs for the El Paso region. Join us on Wednesday, September 30th at 1 p.m. to learn how you can take advantage of this opportunity to build and grow a successful package delivery business. Contact your El Paso Hispanic Chamber of Commerce to learn how you can attend this free virtual event. We would like to invite everyone to join us in celebrating another amazing milestone for Westar. Head over to our Facebook page on Wednesday, September 23rd at 3 p.m. to celebrate their opening of their new location. We will be doing a live virtual ribbon cutting ceremony to commemorate this amazing success. Please don't forget that all of our events have limited space, so register today. If you need any help in registering, don't hesitate in giving us a call at 915-566-4066 or email me at dcolon@ephcc.org. Attention small business owners. Your EPHCC has launched 2 assistance programs in partnership with the city and county to address the many issues that the COVID-19 pandemic has caused El Paso small, minority, and women-owned businesses. To find out if your business is eligible for these programs, give us a call or visit our website at ephcc.org to access the program applications. Visit our website and click on the Events Calendar tab to stay up to date with all of our webinars and virtual events. Thank you all for watching. We hope you have a great and safe weekend. We will see you next time.